Hello, yeah, so this is actually CJ and this is actually a system which allows you to check your balance, make some transactions or withdrawal, check your account, that's your profile you have, and also make several retries. So if you enter a pin that goes contrary to what is actually in the system, you are giving some attempts, and also when you try anything that do not fall within the range of 0 to 1, that's for the options. You are given several options to basically select from, so that you can make several retries in the system. So this is actually a system that is for security wise, it is actually okay, and also it gives you various options that's as a user. So for the user friendly, it is okay. So let's run the program and have a feel of how this project is about. So you say we should enter our pin, and the pin, let's make a wrong input. Now we have 2 attempts, so we are given another attempt. We are given an attempt to let's write something wrong. Yeah, have another 1 attempt. So now it is actually 3 attempts. So now we have so welcome, I entered the correct pin, and now welcome CJ-like. So we have access to balance, withdrawal, the account, and also press 0 to go back. So we are going to check our balance and see. Now our current balance is 2,000 Ghana cedis. Then now I have 2,000 Ghana cedis, so we want to make withdrawal and see whether we are going to see our balance. So let's press 2 and see if you're going to see our balance. Now withdrawal 200 cedis, we are withdrawing 200 cedis, and we've withdrawn 200 cedis, and our current balance is 1,800. So welcome CJ-like. So this actually our current balance. Now we've checked the balance, made the withdrawal, and seen our balance. Let's go to option 3, then see. So as I perform or select any option, when it calculates automatically, when it is actually done, it opens the menu for me to actually see. So let's select the option 3 and see. Option 3 is actually it's allowed me to see the profile. So now the account of CJ-like, current balance 1,008, the full name, date of birth, and the recent transaction that I've made. I've recently withdrawn 200 cedis, so this is the recent transaction that I've made. So let's make another withdrawal and see 500 cedis, and it only gives us the recent transaction. Currently I've withdrawn 500 cedis, and this is the option that these are basically the options that has actually displayed again for me to see. Balance, withdraw, account, go back. So let me go back. So once I go back, I press 0. I'm given the option to have access to the menu again. So let's see here. So this is what I actually have in here. Okay, so option current balance is actually that's 1,300. This is what I actually have in here. This is my current balance, and this is how the whole system is actually about. So I will take you through the code and let you know how the code actually works. So I declare my variables, have int pin. This actually hold the pin, and the int pin attempt, it gives me the number of attempts that I can retry on the pin. This is actually the float balance that holds the amount that is actually in there, and also the float withdrawal is also allow me to basically enter values in order for me to make some withdrawals from the balance. And also the int choose, this gives me the opportunity to basically choose an option from the various options that are being provided. And also the menu attempts, also it gives me the opportunity to basically retry on the various attempts that I make on the menu. So when I select that's from 0 to 3, and it doesn't fall within the range, I'm given various options that 3 attempts, same as the pin. And also here you have the string name, the name, and also the date of birth as well, and gives C out. So I say C out is basically a console out, so be displayed to the user to enter their pin, and once they enter their pin, it is being this while loop. So while pin while this is actually being entered, it checks if the pin is equal to 1 to 3, then we display the name of that very user. So the name of the user is actually here. This is the name, and we display the menus that the user basically is entitled to. So we have the balance, the withdrawal, the account, the go back. Yeah, they have the choose as well. So here we allow the users to choose from these various options. So switch, this is a switch. We use if to check, and this is the switch. The switch allows you to choose from the various options that you are given. So you have range of 0 to 3. So when you select anything that falls within the range, you are given the opportunity to select from. And case 0, we are using it is switch. You use cases, and the case, when you press 0, it gives you the menu again. Then when you press 1, you are given the account balance, because 1 is balance and 2 is withdraw. And 2, if you want to withdraw, you enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And once you withdraw, this is actually the calculation that is being made. So balance equals to balance minus withdraw. So the amount that you've entered, then it is being deducted from the balance, and we display the balance in here. Then we concatenate with a string of 00. That's the Ghana CD. Yeah. Then we end the program. Then in this case, the account of full name, the account of the name. Yeah. So we display the name of the user, then also check the current balance. That's the balance that we actually have in here. We also have the full name. This actually displays the full name. So just like this very account of name, we have the date of birth. The date of birth is also part. We have the recent transaction. So this is the recent transaction, is the recent transaction that you've actually made. So this is actually where we check the attempts. The attempt equals to attempts minus 1. So anytime you make an attempt, we deduct from the number of attempts that we've assigned in at the top. So we have three attempts in here. Yeah, same as the pin. So anytime you make an attempt, we deduct the number of attempts that you've made from it. So once it is actually 0, yeah, account logged, retry later. So this is where the program actually ends. And here as well, when you make anything that do not offer within the range, enter pin. Yeah, so this is where you make a retry of a pin. Yeah, so this is how the whole system is about. If you have any comments, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much, CJ Tech, and kindly subscribe to this channel.